say a kayak takes waves, not too bad. Oh, there's a fish. That's a nice fish, guys. There we go. Oh, he is pulling drag. Woo-hoo-hoo! Just gonna keep going upstream. Yippers! We're on! Woohoo! Oh yeah, it's a nice fish. Not bad for the first one. I'm gonna say probably close to 60 centimeters.